In this video, we are going to see how we can delete the browsing and search history in Microsoft Edge. For whatever reason you want the sites to be deleted from your history, what you can do is just click on the settings from the top right hand corner on the three dots. And once you see here, you will see this history option. Just click on this. And let's say that it is only one site that you want to get rid of. What you can do is just simply put a cross or click on this cross icon to delete those websites. Or otherwise, what you can do is just go to the dustbin delete option. And here you can easily specify whatever you want to delete. So for example, I just want to delete it for the all time. Here you can select the browsing history and you can uncheck the rest of these. You can also clear the download history if you want to. And after that, click on clear now. And now if we click on these three dots and check the history, there is nothing shown here. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.